How to optimize YouTube description for SEO. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to optimize your YouTube descriptions for search engine optimization so your videos get discovered faster and reach more viewers. Let's jump in. You can start off by going over to YouTube Studio or YouTube app depending on your choice where you upload your videos from. I'll just head over to YouTube Studio. Then you can tap on the plus icon to create a new video. I'll just select a new video from here. Once you've selected your video, on the add details part, you can write captions for your short, and then your description part comes next. For your description part, all you have to do is give your title of the video, hit enter, and you should be able to add your description. Here you can add your description, so tap on add description over here. Then you can include keywords early. Start your description with primary keywords that describe your video. Then you can also write a detailed description. Add 2 to 3 well-written paragraphs explaining what happens in your video and include secondary keywords naturally, but avoid keyword stuffing, which will make it really obvious. Then you can also try to add timestamps. For that, YouTube has a really cool feature for automatic chapters, which you can use, where it automatically breaks down your video into different chapters. You can also use hashtags. Add 3 to 5 relevant hashtags on your video at the end of your description. And that's it. Optimizing your YouTube description is simple but a powerful tool for SEO. If this helped you, hit the like button below, subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.